Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to do different types of pranayama. So let's start. First, how you have to sit while doing pranayama. Either you can sit in Padmasana like this, or if you wish you can sit in Vajrasana. You can sit in any position that makes you more comfortable, or if you wish you can sit in simple cross leg Sukhasana like this. So first one is Kumbhak. Kumbhak is just like Anulom Vilom. In this you need to keep your forefinger like this, all the three fingers together. Now press your right nostril, deep inhale from the left nostril, both nostril close, chin down, hold for 5 seconds. Chin up, exhale from the right side. Again deep inhale from the right side, both the nostril close, chin down. This time you need to hold for 10 seconds. Chin up, exhale from the left side. Again inhale from the left side, nostril close, chin down. This time you will hold for 15 seconds. Like this you have to do. 5 second holding, then 10 second, 15, 20 and so on. Kumbhak means retention, holding of your breath. It's very simple. Inhale, hold and then exhale. Again repeat, inhale, hold and then exhale. This is how you need to do. Here I have done 5 repeats. You can do 5 to 7 at a time. Holding increases your lifespan and your lungs can absorb more oxygen at a time, so can supply more oxygen to different body parts. Keep your body straight, chest up, stomach in. Your shoulder should be in a straight line. Relax. Next is Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, if you wish you can keep your hands like this, chest up, stomach in, or you can sit in this mudra. I am sitting like this because it will make my spine more straight. Deep inhale, then exhale, 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 exhale. You only need to focus on exhale. Don't focus on inhale. It will happen automatically. If you are a beginner, after deep inhale you can exhale 20 to 30 times. If you have done before, you can exhale 40 to 50 to 70 times. Allow your stomach to contract naturally. Don't push it hard. Relax. Again, deep inhale. Like this you have to do. You have to exhale with a little bit of force. If you wish, you can keep your eyes open or closed. It's up to you. Kapalbhati enhances beauty and also slows down aging. It relieves from the stress and also cleanses internal organs. Here I have done 3 repeats. You can do 3 to 5 repeats at a time. Relax. Next is Bhastrika. In Bhastrika, you need to inhale slow, soft and then exhale with a little bit of force. Like this. Now how you need to keep your hands? While inhale you need to keep your hands up, fingers open. While exhale you need to pull your breath and make a fist while exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One inhale exhale will make one stroke. You have to do 8 to 10 strokes at a time. After Bhastrika, you can feel heaviness in your head, which is quite normal. Next set. Like this you have to do. Slow, soft inhale, exhale with a little bit of pressure, little bit of force. It helps to cure the problem of insomnia and also good for the people with depression and anxiety. After this Bhastrika Pranayam, your body will generate heat. So you have to do Chandrabhedan Pranayam. Chandrabhedan Pranayam can be done only by the left nostril. You need to inhale from the left nostril and exhale from the left only. Keep your right nostril tightly closed. Then inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale from the left nostril only. It will cool down your body. Relax. Next is Bhramari. In Bhramari, you have to keep your hands like this. Now you need to press your ears with your thumb so that you are unable to hear. Keep your fingers like this, 4 fingers on your forehead. Rest 3 fingers gently on your eyes. Don't press them too hard. Gently keep on your eyes. Now deep inhale. And while exhale, you need to create the humming sound like this. In this humming sound, you can easily feel the vibrations in your head. One more time, deep inhale. Deep inhale. Bhramari releases cerebral tension and also give good vibration to your brain. It is also best for the stress. You can do 5 to 7 repeats at a time. Relax. And the last but not the least is Om chanting. Om is made up of 3 letters, A, U and Ma. While you chant Om, you need to divide all the Om chanting into the 4 different parts. First part you will chant A, in second part you will chant U, and the third and fourth part you will chant Ma. So the ratio will be 1:1:2. A will give vibrations to your stomach, U give vibration to your chest, and Ma give vibrations to your brain. So like this you need to do. Deep inhale. Deep inhale. You can do 3 to 5 or 3 to 7 counts at a time. Relax. Now rub your palms gently. It will create more heat, more energy. Now keep it on your forehead, your eyes, massage your neck, your shoulder. Relax. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, it's time to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.